was such a sad situation. But with Bike God, we can save lives. Let's look at the situation once again. Same road, same car, but with Bike God.
Vehicle approaching.
Ooh, good thing I had Bike God to warn me about that fast approaching car. Yay! As you see, Bike God can actually save lives. Bike God is an AI-powered rear collision warning system that is designated to protect bikers from vehicles approaching from behind. Now let's look at how the system works. It uses a rear camera and runs completely offline on a Jetson or a Nano Edge AI device. The system detects vehicles using YOLO, estimates distance with a Midas depth model, and checks lane position and time to collision to decide if a warning is needed. When a real risk is detected, Bike God will say vehicle approaching, which is what you heard in the video that saved the biker's life. Now let's see how the system works on a simulation.
Vehicle approaching.
That shows a situation where a fast driving car approaches the biker and our Bike God detects it and warns the biker through our speaker. Now I will show you how to mount it on a bike, making it fully edge. These are the materials used in Bike God: the battery, the Jetson or Nano, the IMX 477 camera, and a Bluetooth speaker. And here we will put all of these materials into a cardboard box. I have cut holes for the cables, the camera, and the battery buttons. And as we press open the battery, the Jetson Nano also turns on. Here we turn on the speaker and put it on my clothes. Here I tape the box to secure the materials inside. Here I tied a rope around the box on the bike to mount this on the bike. I managed to start from scratch and finish my project within 2 months. On the way, I encountered many obstacles, but much more. I learned a lot about AI. I learned about Edge AI, region of interest, and combined it into my project. You could also come to my YouTube channel for my main milestones and project progress.